Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, it's rainy today. Hi. Ano ko?
Biggest bird in the world.
Oh really? Where are you going?
Going to the second station of the Sky Camp.
Wow.
Have a tour up there.
Okay, go to the mountain. That mountain, huh?
Woo!
Alright, check this out.
Ocean view is on the other side.
Other side, ocean view. Ocean view.
哎呦我的妈！
Nice.
Hello, Patricia. You can come here first.
Okay.
Yeah. Where's your ticket?
Wala man dito.
Okay. We're in the top station here in Langkawi. Sky Bridge, Sky Glide, and Sky Cow.
So wing, wing, wing. We're right here. We just arrived. This is the Sky Camp station.
Okay, we go outside.
So nice.
Hello. Where are we going? Okay. Guys, we're on the top of the mountain in Langkawi, guys. We ride a cable car. So, check this out. Sky Cab, Sky Mart.
Di akong kabantay na wag tayo.
Na. Butang eh. Ibalik. Okay guys, we're going to Sky Bridge through nature walk. This group, yeah, good for your health. Yeah.
Oh yes.
Lagi. Can you see about your nature walk? Yeah. Nature.
Oh yes.
Sky Glide. Yeah, Sky Glide.
We did the exercise anyway.
Yeah,
So this is good
for us.
The celebrant has been eating and sleeping.
Wing, 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 wing.
We need a walk.
Wow, alarm, do not feed the monkey. Nalagi monkey so.
We don't know.
Okay guys, we finally here at the Langkawi Sky Bridge.
I'm not voluntarily being here.
Skyglide. Skyglide.
Going back to the sky table station. Look like sardines.
Yeah. Open.
Open this sesame. Voila!
Wow. Skyline. Okay.
Kunnen nog alles goed zien? Ja, absoluut. Wow! Did you walk to the sky bridge? No. We walked there. Okay. Oh, okay. Good choice. This is beautiful.
It is beautiful. The Philippines are all
You got
beautiful.
Boracay, Palawan.
Also beautiful.
Yeah, you been there?
No. Beautiful
Very nice.
beaches, beautiful diving.
Ours is
My
beaches.
brother has
Ours
been.
is beaches, waterfalls,
Yeah.
Yes.
and
Swim with Butanding.
swim with
Whale
the
shark.
whales.
Yeah.
You can swim with a shark. That's our number one.
With the shark,
tourist
I
spot.
don't want to swim with the shark.
No, they don't. They don't.
I
eat too
don't
much.
know. I don't believe you.
It's the one that doesn't eat people.
Ah.
Okay. But maybe
They're vegetarian.
I
know,
can
we
swim
swim
with
with them.
dolphins,
Oh yeah.
but not with sharks.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Before it
Oh.
was voted most beautiful island in the
Oh
world.
yeah, Palau in
Palawan,
Philippines.
yeah.
Yeah.
Palau.
You been there?
No. We haven't been to Philippines.
Oh, okay.
No, not at all.
Oh.
The rest of Southeast Asia, yes, to
That's
many
good.
countries, but Philippines
Yeah.
not yet. Maybe in the future.
Boracay or Palawan. It's too crowded.
Too crowded.
A lot of
Lot
people.
of tourists.
A lot of tourists.
It's very
Indonesia
far
is
from,
good.
from our
Indonesia,
country.
yeah.
Very far. But I mean, Malaysia is not very far.
That's good. You like to go around.
Yeah. So, yeah.
The
Because
country is the
corruption,
worst.
you know, that this is the worst.
Our country, everybody corrupts.
Yeah, and in this way the country cannot develop.
We have a lot
Yeah.
of ghost projects. You get the
Yeah.
money, the
Oh,
project
you
is
see?
not there.
Yeah.
If they only take care of the people, we could do a lot of things.
Of
because
course you could.
the
Lots of
money and
Yeah.
the natural resources that we have. Whoever becomes the leaders of the country,
everybody pays a
Yeah.
very small
Yeah.
amount.
bearable amount.
Yes,
Can
yes,
still
yes,
go.
yes, absolutely.
Okay guys, we're getting inside the Art Museum, Langkawi. 3D.
Art Museum.